Okay, so this is kind of some stupid social excuse me, this is really like some stupid social media drama, but I found it kind of interesting because I think it's wrong. And I don't really know how to explain it, but I mean, I'm going to show you visually how I think it's wrong. Okay, so I went to this guy's profile. This guy showed up on my feed on this video. Watch what he
Just
says.
found out you can't put...
Okay, so he makes this video replying to this chick. This is a doctor right here. And I was thinking, why the hell is he making this video? But let's watch it.
Just found out you can't put bananas in your smoothie. Because apparently there's an enzyme in the banana that breaks down all the nutritional value of the berries. So it's as if you're not even having the berries. You're getting none of it if there's a banana in there.
I'm so sorry. Where exactly is the nutritional value going? What does that even mean? There's one small study in 8 people that found banana-containing smoothies reduce the absorption of certain flavonols from berries after ingestion. Flavonols are just one type of antioxidants in berries that contain many different nutrients and beneficial compounds. Guys, this kind of stuff is happening because wellness gurus who want to help you optimize your health only have so much they can say.
Thank you, Dr. Knurick, for clearing things up. I'm now going to go back to enjoying my banana berry smoothie.
Okay, so when I first saw this, I was like, dude, that doctor just roasted your ass because this guy's spreading misinformation, right? But it's actually not true at all. If you go to this dude's profile and look at this, this is his...
Just found out.
Okay, so this is the video that doctor was replying to, right? And, okay, listen, let's watch the entire video in full that the doctor did not show. Watch.
You can't put bananas in your smoothie. Because apparently there's an enzyme in the banana that breaks down all the nutritional value of the berries. So it's as if you're not even having the berries. You're getting none of it if there's a banana in there.
Okay, so listen to this part right here, because this was cut off in the doctor's video.
What are we talking about? Why is that a thing? I can't have bananas with my berries. Oh. I'm done.
It's obviously sarcastic. He's just having a good... He's joking about it. So I went to that chick's profile, the doctor, and... Okay, so this is the video that she made a response to him, right? But she also made another video right here responding to the video that he made responding to her. And watch what she... And this is the part where I have a problem with, because listen to what the doctor says at the end of this video.
Flavonols are just one type of antioxidants in berries that contain many different nutrients and beneficial compounds. Guys, this kind of stuff is happening because wellness gurus who want to help you optimize your health only have so much they can say.
Thank you, Dr. Knurick, for clearing things up. I'm now going to go back to enjoying my banana berry smoothie.
You know, I'm often asked if anyone whose videos I stitch ever respond or acknowledge that they learned something. And now, finally,
Okay.
I can say yes.
Okay, you cannot say yes to somebody that has learned something when they're being sarcastic, because that means the opposite of what they're saying was true, so they're not learning anything. Does it even fucking make sense? He was saying that as, like, satire.
Someone has. So thank you. Also, I'm not sure if I've ever said this on this platform before, but my last name is Knurick. The K is silent, like knife or knock knock.
Okay. So anyway, I just want to make this video because this is not how sarcasm works at all. I don't know, the doctor... I'm trying to understand what their argument... Or I was trying to look at what... Okay, so this guy says, okay, but wait, that's James and he's a comic and he's joking. Just because he's a comic doesn't mean he's joking here. The common person sees this, won't perceive it as satire. But that doesn't matter if the common person won't perceive it as satire. He was doing it in a satire. He knew it was satire. So it doesn't... He can't learn from that if he knows it was satire in the first place. I don't get that. But anyway, okay, so I just wanted to make this video. This is kind of random, but I just don't think this is how satire stuff works at all. But this doctor does seem smart, but something's not right here. This is fucked. I'm on this guy's side, but yeah.